Looking to keep your space comfortable year-round, blocking heat in summer and cold in winter? Here's how to install your thermal door curtain from TheHues in just a few simple steps. Option 1. Rod pocket. If you already have a curtain rod in place, this is the simplest option. Just slide the rod through the sewn-in pocket at the top of the curtain. Then mount the rod above your door frame. It's clean, secure, and easy to take down when needed. Option 2. Eyelet with hooks. Prefer not to use a curtain rod? Each curtain comes with built-in eyelets at the top. Simply use our included hook set. First, screw the base of each hook into the top of your door frame. Then, insert the front hook through each eyelet to hang the curtain. This method offers strong support and a sleek look. Option 3. Velcro tape. For renters or no-drill installations, Velcro is your best friend. We include 3M backed Velcro tape with our curtain. Just attach one side to the curtain top and the other to your door frame. Press firmly. And that's it. Whichever method you choose, your thermal door curtain is designed to block drafts, reduce noise, and save energy, all while looking great.